This is Westar's Display Technologies Microdisplay Optical Test System. It's used for testing liquid crystalline silicon microdisplays. The system consists of the tester assembly itself, display in a fixture mounted below. The display is driven by Westar's T-Drive video test pattern generator, and the whole system is controlled by software running on a PC. To start the test, the operator places a display in the fixture, closes the fixture, and then clicks Start on the software interface. The system illuminates the display with RGB LED in a color field sequential fashion. You can see the display being illuminated here right now. The display socket assembly is mounted on a custom drive board. The interface is to Westar's T-Drive that provides the video to the display. And then we also extract from the display the timing signals to sequence the LEDs for the illumination. In order to run a test, simply open the test file, select the test you want to run, and click Start. The software asks for a lot identification. This is to order the data in the database. As this test starts running, it makes measurements of throughput or percent reflectance and contrast. And it also displays images on the screen. In this case, we're looking at a white image, and the operator can grade these images manually. A black image, and a black image done at a longer exposure time. And with these images, you can also do thresholding to highlight defects. So in this case, we're putting a red highlight on bright defects. You can also display any number of bitmap images that you want to use to grade parts. Once that's done, you're asked to store the data in the database. Click yes, and then you're ready to test the next part. In addition to running the software, there's a series of wizards or tools to help you do things like calibrate, and also a manual interface to allow you to manually display images and test patterns on the screen. To get to some of the manual operations, these are password protected, and you can change the password. This is to allow test engineers or operators access to parts of the system that you might not want a technician accessing. So in this case, we can display video on the display. We can browse to one of our test files. Click Next. And we're showing live video of the microdisplay, and we can change the test patterns to get different images of it on the screen. There's also a manual control which is similar. This allows us even finer access. We can turn the display on, capture video. Again, now we have control of the test pattern generator, so we can put up other images such as crosshairs. Color bars. And you can also put a bitmap and other images as well. In this case, we're doing a 2-pixel horizontal grill or line pattern. See the individual lines. This is helpful for focus.